The entire history of Earth in under 10 minutes. Did you know that Earth has gone through 5 mass extinctions, each wiping out nearly all life, only for the planet to rise again? From cosmic collisions to volcanic infernos, Earth's history is a story of destruction, rebirth, and evolution. But how did we get from a molten rock to the world we know today? Let's break it all down. 4.5 billion years, in less than 10 minutes. Our planet's history is a tale of chaos, survival, and transformation. From its violent birth to the emergence of life, shifting continents, and the rise of human civilization, Earth's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Understanding Earth's past helps us make sense of the present and even predict the future. What if another mass extinction is just around the corner? Today, we'll travel through time, covering the formation of Earth, the rise and fall of life, and the key moments that shape the planet we call home. Earth hasn't had an easy ride. Over the past 4.5 billion years, it's been bombarded by asteroids, engulfed in fire, frozen in ice, and suffocated by toxic gases. Life itself has been pushed to the brink multiple times. Take the late heavy bombardment, a period nearly 4 billion years ago, when Earth was pummeled by asteroids. This cosmic assault might have helped deliver water to our planet, but it also made survival nearly impossible. Then, there were the mass extinctions. The most devastating was the Permian-Triassic extinction, or the Great Dying, which wiped out over 90% of all species. Volcanic eruptions in what is now Siberia released toxic gases, triggering acid rain and global warming. And let's not forget the asteroid impact that ended the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. A single event, a 6-mile-wide rock crashing into Earth, wiped out 75% of life, including the mighty T-Rex. Yet, through all this destruction, life found a way. Each catastrophe reshaped the planet, paving the way for new life forms and new ecosystems. But how did it all begin? The formation of Earth, 4.5 billion years ago. Earth started as a molten hellscape, formed from cosmic debris left over from the birth of the Sun. At this time, our planet had no atmosphere, no water, just fire, lava, and constant collisions. Then, about 4.4 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object slammed into Earth. This cataclysmic impact sent debris into space, which eventually formed the Moon. The collision also helped stabilize Earth's tilt, giving us seasons as we know them today. The first oceans and life, 3.8 billion years ago. As Earth cooled, water vapor condensed into oceans. Here, in these vast and lifeless waters, life began. The first microorganisms, simple, single-celled bacteria, emerged around 3.5 billion years ago. For the next 2 billion years, these microscopic life forms dominated the planet. They did something incredible. They created oxygen. Cyanobacteria, through photosynthesis, slowly transformed Earth's toxic atmosphere into one rich in oxygen, making life as we know it possible. The Cambrian explosion, 540 million years ago. Known as the Cambrian explosion, this period saw the rapid evolution of complex life, including the first arthropods, mollusks, and even early ancestors of fish. Before this, life was mostly simple and microscopic. But within just 20 million years, Earth became a planet teeming with strange and bizarre creatures. Continents shifted, climates changed, and soon, the first land plants and animals began to appear. Amphibians evolved from fish, and reptiles began to dominate the landscape. The age of dinosaurs was just around the corner. Dinosaurs, mammals, and the rise of humans, 250 million years ago to present. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled the planet. Some were small, some were massive, and some, like velociraptors, were covered in feathers. But then, disaster struck. A massive asteroid impact 66 million years ago set off wildfires, earthquakes, and a global winter. the dinosaurs, except for birds, were wiped out, making way for mammals to take over. Fast forward a few million years, and primates evolved. Some species began walking on two legs, using tools, and developing larger brains. Homo sapiens, our species, appeared around 300,000 years ago, just a blink in Earth's long history. One of the most significant moments in Earth's history was the rise of human civilization. Unlike any species before, we transformed the planet, developing agriculture, building cities, and eventually, shaping the environment on a global scale. Humans have altered landscapes, changed climate patterns, and driven some species to extinction. In just a few thousand years, we have become a force as powerful as the natural disasters that once shaped Earth. So, what's next? Some scientists argue that we are currently living through the sixth mass extinction, caused by deforestation, pollution, and climate change. The question is, will humanity find a way to survive and adapt, as life has in the past? Or will we become just another chapter in Earth's long and chaotic history? From a ball of molten rock to a planet bursting with life, Earth's history is a story of destruction and rebirth. Each catastrophe wiped the slate clean, allowing new forms of life to rise. Mass extinctions, asteroid impacts, ice ages, and climate shifts. These are the forces that shaped our world. And as we stand at the dawn of a new era, we must ask ourselves, what role will we play in Earth's future? What do you think? Are we in the middle of another mass extinction? Will Earth continue to evolve long after humans are gone? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through time, check out our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the wonders of history with us. Thanks for watching.